Good, good. So can anyone explain how we can create the project and how we can launch the Chrome browser? Can anyone? How we can launch the browser and all the things?
First, we have to download the Chrome driver.
Hmm.
After that, we have to create one project.
Hmm.
In that project, we have to create some class. And after that,
Hmm.
we add to the build path.
Hold on. After project, after that you can create the package. Under the
Package
package, yeah, under the package you need to create the class. Huh? Go ahead. Good.
class. Yeah, class. After that, we have to add the build path,
Hmm.
configure build path, and add libraries.
Hmm.
After that, initiate the driver path.
Hmm. What
Set
file?
properties.
What you will be import? Can you explain what you import
Yeah,
into launch the Chrome browser?
yeah. Import.open.org, openqa.selenium.webdriver.
Hmm.
Import org.openqa.selenium.chrome
Hmm.
driver.
Yes.
Chrome
Chrome
driver.
driver. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the
After that,
key and what is the value?
system.setProperty webdriver.chrome.driver.
Okay, that is the key.
Which
Okay.
section we have installed, and that path we copy and paste.
Okay. Good.
After that,
So.
launch the Chrome browser WebDriver driver
Hmm.
equal to new Chrome driver.
Hmm.
Which URL we have to launch the URL that driver.get URL.
Okay. Good. What about others, guys? I hope everyone is done. Still, anyone is facing the problem to launching the browsers or launching, installing the Java? Please, guys, please clear on this area because this is very, very, very important. Launching the browsers. Everyone is done. Okay. Who want to share the screen today? Guys, who want to share the screen? Anybody?
I will share screening.
Okay. Venkat, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'm giving the access to you.
Yeah,
Guys,
sure.
every day you need to share the screen, guys. Every day, one person, please install all the things. Okay, it's a good opportunity. Okay, so today we go for commands. The very important things. What are the browser commands? Okay, Venkat, can you create a new project? Can you write like a commands? Create a new project.
Okay.
Okay, guys, see, observe the things, file, new, not Maven project, Java project. Go to the Java
Yeah.
project,
Yes, yes.
Java project,
Yeah.
yeah, commands, browser commands. Okay, so this is a very interview question. There are 2 or 3 questions will come here itself today. Okay, yesterday 2, 3 questions like what are the keys, what is the set and path, how to add the project and all the things. Okay, today's no doubt 2, 3 questions will come. Okay. Okay. Now under SRC, you need to create what package? Create the
Package.
package. Yeah. New package. Yeah. Give the package name anything. Same name also not a problem. Hmm. Finish. Now we are adding the jar files. Where we need to add the jar files? Hmm. Always remember, guys, you need to select public static void main. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah, can you launch the browser fastly? Can you launch the browser? System dot set property key and value. Yeah. What is the key? Chrome driver. Suppose if we want to launch the Chrome driver, means what is the key we need to use? WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Yeah. Path. Go and add the path.
Hi,
Otherwise,
Srini.
yeah. Hi.
Yeah, in this case, are we not importing the links?
No, he's writing right. He's just write system dot set property, right? Suppose he
Okay.
writing WebDriver and driver equals to new Chrome driver, means if the jar files is not there, it will throw the error. See, when you write, right? Can you write WebDriver driver driver, driver? So it is showing the red line, right? He will put the cursor there. It is ask you to import. Automatically, you can import there. Okay. Chrome driver. Always use control space. Okay. Okay. Come and go and put the cursor in WebDriver. See, automatically it comes, right? So if you get red line, right, don't panic. Just put your cursor there. Then it will ask. But make sure that you need to add your jar files to the project. If you're not add the project, it won't work. Okay. Yeah, get. See, get is one command. What is the get command, guys? In interview, they will ask you what is the get command. Get is nothing but it redirect the URL. Okay, what it will show the URL, right? When you want any URL, so you need to use what command? Get command. Driver dot get. Okay, don't say driver. Driver is your object. Okay, get command. This command name is what? Get command. Can you come down second line? Yeah, put a comment. See how you put a comments, guys. Double slash. See, that is very important. Learn the how to make the comment. For every statement you need to write a comments. Okay, comment is very important. Okay, in the real time there is a coding standards will be there. You cannot write like you like as you like. You cannot write like the code. You always follow what? Comments. Okay, double slash is what? Comment. Okay, the next command is what? You can write get title. 100% interview question, guys. What is get title? So I want to see the title for the thing. So already we know get command. Get command is what? Use it to open a new browser window, and it will get and receive the page you provide. What are the page you are giving? That page it will come. Okay, now the second command is what? Get the title. Can you write get title? Yeah, get title. So how you will write get title? Before that, can you open the site? HTTP selenium.dev. See what is the title for that page. First of all, you need to check what is the title for the page. Yeah, open that site. See, title means what? In the top, can you go and put a cursor there? Not that one. In the browser tab. Go to the go to meeting will be there, right? Next your tab will be there, right? Selenium HQ dot. Go to there and put the cursor there. Top tab one.
Which
Top
Srini?
top.
This one get.
No, not that one. Go to the top browser one. Yeah, go to the
Okay.
top. One more top. You're seeing
This one.
yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, put the
yeah.
cursor there. Put the cursor there. Yeah, put the
Yeah.
cursor.
Yes.
Why? Yeah, why we are not able to see the your title? Little bit
Most.
down.
This one.
This
Yes.
is
Selenium.
yes. Hold on. This is what title Selenium HQ browser automation selenium.dev. Sometimes we need to validate this is valid site or not. So in that case, how I need to validate to the automation get title? What command we are using? Get title. So whether the title is right or not, we need to check. How we need to check? There is a command drive get title. So what is the command? Get title. Okay, can you open the Eclipse? Now we are reading that get title one. Okay, so for that we are writing driver dot get title. See, automatically it will come get title. And one more thing, guys, if you want to print this get title, what we need to use? System dot println. So if you want to see the title, so now I got a title, but where I need to see? Venkat, better you can write the second line, okay? Because
Okay.
first initial size, right? Come to the click enter and write sys, simply sys, control alt control space, just use control space. Can you last one, can you select the last one? Last one, sys, last one. Yeah, click that one. See, system dot out dot println. For what? Yeah, this is very very important. You want to see anything in the console, this is the down below is one panel, we can call it as console. If anything you want to see in the console, you need to write system dot out dot println. Now I got a title, but where I need to print? So that's the reason I'm using system dot out dot println. So can you pass this one in the println? Driver dot get title, copy that driver dot get title. No, not this one, driver dot get title, and pass in here in this method. Yeah, inside the println. Okay, remove that cell. Okay, you cannot cut also, you can put there also. Okay, but here what will happen? Control Z. Okay, you can write like this also, otherwise you can write driver dot get title also. So now what will happen? It will get the title and it will the print in the console. Okay, now control S and run it. What is your title? That title should be displayed in your console. Minimize. See, what is the title? Are you getting right? Selenium HQ browser automation. Okay, so very very important, guys. Can you change the website like Amazon or anything and get the title? So you can give your URL and you can call the title. So interview question: what are the browser commands? Get title, get current URL. Okay, copy this amazon.in. Yeah, this should be displayed. Okay, so change the URL amazon.in. Guys, understanding right what we are doing? Run as a Java application. So your title will be print. Online shopping site India. So that is what validating. See, online shopping site. So this is what output for us. So this is what we need to show. So it is working as expected. Okay. So otherwise you can write the code drive. Yeah. Is it clear, right? Everybody?
Yeah,
Any
yeah.
questions on this? Guys,
Yeah.
is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
definitely.
Because this is very very important, that's the reason I'm asking title. Because don't buy hard, guys. If you buy hard, we cannot. You can learn second time also, you can learn third time also. Try to understand the code and try to understand the structure. So if you buy hard, again next month also you will join Selenium and you simply throw the Srini is not tell correctly. Don't do that one. Try to understand what we are doing. It's not required any coding knowledge. Simply what I'm doing, system.println. In the system.println, I'm sending the driver dot get title. Okay, if you want to write more professionally, can you, Venkat, can you write a string? Can you write a string in the top? Put a comment there. Yeah, put a comment. Write string title. String title equals to driver dot get title. Yes, should driver dot get title. Okay, semicolon. Okay, can you check string? Put a S capital string, correct only, right? S capital. Okay, come down. Okay, no problem. Come down. And now write system.println. System.println. SOS. Come down. Last. You need not write anything, guys. Simply you need to select and pass the title. Only title on. Title. No. Already you passed that in the
Okay.
title, right? You just pass
Yeah,
the
yeah.
title. Got it right? Yeah. So that is the big. Yeah. See, I'm taking the get driver dot get title into the one string. That is what title. Okay. System dot println, in that I'm passing the title. Okay. This is what. So why we are learning? We asked to learn CoJava and all the things, because this is the correct format. Okay, you need to write in the correct format, assigning to the everything into the one title. That title I'm calling here. I'm giving what string title. That title, in this title, what will be there? Driver dot get title will be there. That one I'm printing system dot output dot println. Can you run one more time? String. uh, I'm giving the variable name. I'm storing entire the title into that variable. Okay. Practice. Lot of practice is required here. Got it right? So I'm writing the like this also I'm writing like this also I'm getting, or otherwise I can write the different way also I can get it, the same thing, but the you need to write in the systematic way. Okay. Now next command, can you put a comment? And next command, can you write the next command? Current URL. What is that? Current URL. Current URL. So what is the current URL? So I want to check what current URL I'm using, like https www.amazon.in. So that I want to print. Okay, so can you write driver dot okay, get current URL. Yeah, get current URL. Yeah, get current URL. Now you need to yeah, put a semicolon. And yeah, print this one. Print, how you will print? System dot
System.
out system dot output dot println. Pass that entire that thing. Otherwise you can store in one string, that string value you can pass. Good. URL, you pass just URL. That's it. See how you are writing now? That is very important. I'm storing the value into the string. Okay, what is your URL, guys? www.amazon.in. that should be print. Very easy, guys. If you can you put interest and if you learn right, very easy. See it. What is that? https www.amazon. Interview 100%, they will ask you, freshers, can you explain what are the browser commands? What are the browser command, guys? Get is one command, get title is one command, and current URL is one command. Okay, next, get title get text will be there, that we will see in the later. Okay, when the locators will come, we will explain you what is the get text. What is page source? Okay, can you open the Amazon site? Original one, Amazon site. This is the original one, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, right click. See, there is page view source will be there. Page view source is not there, right? So
Yes.
okay, So we can view the page view source, means what is the title and what is the table and all the tr td, and we can view all the things. Okay, okay, can you go to the Eclipse? Can you write the command? What is the command? Get a page source. Get a page source. Okay, get page source. So you will able to see what is the get page source, what is the title, what is the tables and structure, each and everything we can able to see. Okay, page source. Okay, now system.println, just pass that page. Yeah, yeah, run this one. It will take time. Like Java, right? Sorry, this one Amazon site, right? So it will lot of data will be there. Page view source. So we can able to see what is the tables and all the things like title, table. See what is that? Everything you are able to see backend. Like what is the page? See, go up, see each and everything you can able to see. Okay, so no one see we not use all the command, guys. We are not use all the commands. Whenever the command is required, then only we can use these commands. Okay, don't think that every day we use the commands. Whenever suppose your lead asks to check the current URL, so you need to use that command. Your lead says that check once a page view source is getting or not, so you need to use that command. Based on the requirement only we need to use the commands. Okay, okay, is it clear, guys? So what are the commands so far we done? Get command, get title, get current URL, and get page source. Okay, and one more important thing is what? Very important command, guys. Maximize. What is maximize? See, whenever you run the this one, right? Like whenever you run this script, you are able to see off of the window only, right? Can you run this one, Venkat? Can you run this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you run one more time? Execute one more time. No, not this one, just comment that one. No, I'm asking Amazon site.
Okay. Yeah.
Run this one. See, this window is getting off only, right? Default window. This is what default window. I'm not getting maximize. I'm not getting full window. I'm not getting the full length. See, Selenium is give only default window only. So it will, whenever you launch any browser, right, it will show only off of the window only. So I want to maximize this window. So how we can write? There is a command. Can you write the command maximize? Can you write the command for maximize? Down,
Yeah.
come down and write a comment there. Maximize. Okay. Write the maximize. See, this command definitely they will ask you, right, in interview. Driver dot, no, driver dot windows dot, you are handling the window, right? So you are handling the window. Driver dot windows dot, no, right, window, sorry, driver dot manage dot, you need to manage, yeah, manage dot window dot maximize maximize. See, we are regularly use this command. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Maximize means what? I don't want to default window. I want to maximize the screen. Okay, can you run this now? You will able to see the maximize the screen automatically. Interview they will ask you how you maximize the screen, how you minimize the screen. See, maximize, right? Are you observed, right? So maximize, it's completely maximize. So minimize also we can do. What is the minimize? I want to set the x path and y path, like coordinates. I need to tell to the browser, hey, you need to minimize up to this one. Okay. So can you write the minimize code command? So command, you can write the minimize command. Minimize. Okay. Minimize. So interview question, guys. What is the maximize command? Or they will ask you, what can you tell me the browser commands? What are the browser commands? Get title, get current URL, minimize, and maximize. Get page source code. Okay. Okay. Manage. Yeah. Manage dot Windows. So here maximize is the very window dot set position. You need to set the position. No, it won't come. Okay.
Okay.
Set position, write a set position. You need to tell the position where to where
Yes.
you need to maximize. Okay. Otherwise the browser will not understand. Okay. Inside, can you write new, 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 yeah, space, point. Just write a point, or else control space. Okay, write a point. Yeah, point x y. So you need to tell x coordinates and y coordinates. Understanding, right? Think reality. How you minimize? You need to tell to minimize. So on you need to minimize. Okay, maximize means it will take maximize defaultly, but minimize, you need to minimize. Okay. Do one thing, Venkat. Can you give the 0? X coordinate as a 0, and y coordinate is minus you need to give minus 800 or 900 you need to give. Okay. Okay. So from the 0 to minus 800 you are minimizing that one. Okay. Run this one. Minimizing. Run as a Java application. First it will maximize. So it not show correctly, right? Can you give 650 or like that? 650 minus 650. So you can play like what they will tell you, up to what level we can maximize the screen. Okay. So you can maximize the browser. Hmm. So it will maximize up to this area. So you can see, don't worry, the developer will tell you up to what level we need to maximize. Okay. So maximize and minimize. So these two commands are very important. Please do not by heart, guys. I'm requesting you, if you by heart, again next month also you need to learn Selenium courses. Again you will join again one more batch. Not required. We are not required. If you understand the command, not again you need not join any other courses. Okay. Simply you can understand driver dot manage. I'm managing the window dot maximize. I'm telling that maximize. Here minimize. What is called minimize? I'm minimizing the window. Driver dot manage dot window dot set position. I'm giving the position. 1 second, guys. I'm giving the set position 0 and minus 650. Don't worry about this value. Don't ask me correct the things. Okay. After the class, you can play. Give the different values and check. Okay. But what is the minimize? You need to write this one. Set new position, new point, x coordinate and y coordinate. Interview, they definitely they will ask you this question. how you minimize, how you maximize. Okay, so you need to aware of these two things, what is minimize and what is the maximize. If you by heart and if you copy and paste, right, in interview you will be forget. So do not by heart and do not copy and the paste. Simply try to understand what we are doing here. Driver dot manage dot window, I'm managing the window dot maximize, I'm doing what, maximize. Here driver dot manage dot window dot set new position, because I need to minimize, right? So x point to x coordinate to y coordinate, so minimize the thing. In get the title, get title means you are simply write get title, get page source code, and get current URL. Okay, no need to by heart all the things, you always keep on mind. In case suddenly in interview they will ask you what commands you are using in the Selenium, or let me or tell me what are the commands for browser commands, means you can tell that. Don't tell fastly. If you know means don't tell get page get command, don't say like that. Take your time and slowly you need to tell in the interview, like as a professional way you need to tell. Generally we use in commands like get command. Get is nothing but we are calling the URL, and we use get title to verify the page title. We use page view source to see the tables and structures and data by using of get title. And also we use maximize and minimize. The maximize is nothing but you defaultly the Selenium will give the default window. We want to maximize, in that case I use driver dot manage dot window dot maximize to maximize the window. Sometimes I need to check whether the window is minimized or not. Due to different resolutions, I use the command driver dot manage dot window dot set new position, like x coordinate and y coordinate. So how I'm telling, very confidently and very systematically I'm telling. If you are telling commands are get command, get page source, if you're reading right, then other person simply knows that you are not the real person, real working guy. Okay, take your time, take your, not dead slow and not be like too fast. Okay, tell like really you work, tell like you're really work. Okay, so in interview definitely they will ask you what are the browser commands. So what are the browser commands means there are 5 types. Don't say like that there are 5, there are 6, there are 8. If you say there are 8, there are 6, you are be rejected. Okay, tell in the professional way. We are generally use the commands like browser get command, get title, get maximize and minimize, and page view source, like that you need to tell in the professional way, you need to tell. Okay, don't by heart, don't read in the interview. Okay, so that is very very important. So when you do the practice, definitely answer will come, no need to think also. If you practice today, tomorrow or every day you are practicing, in interview it's very easy, no need to refer the notes also. Okay, so another interview question, 100%, no doubt at all. What is difference between close and quit? So now whenever you are running the this one, right, automatically you are able to see the browser in the down below. Can you run this one, Venkat? Can you minimize all these things? Driver dot maximize and you can you comment these two things? Yeah. Can you run the program one more time? Hmm. What happened? See, it is not, you are able to see in the down. See, you are able to see in the down that driver, right? So you want to close that one. So you want to close, that means you need to write the command. Can you write the command driver dot close? Close means whenever your program is done, executed is done, the driver will also be closed. Okay, close. So this is very very important. Okay, can you run Previous one, you can close that one. You can close that one. Nothing. Yeah, close that one. Now there is no window. After this execution, the code also there is no window. Let's see. So driver dot close is very, very important, guys. Close means the current window will be closed. It will be execute, it will be launch the site, and automatically it will close. See, the window will be gone, right? The previously, if I'm not right, driver dot close means how many times you execute, that much of windows will be seen the down below. Okay, so make sure that you need to close your driver also. Okay, so driver close, how you need to close the driver? Driver dot close. And what is driver dot quit? Quit means what? If what are the number of browsers you open for the same WebDriver, all will be closed. Okay, close means the current window will be closed. Quit means what? All windows will be closed. Okay, can you Venkat, can you comment this code and write a quit? Yeah, quit. Driver dot quit. So 100% interview question, what is the difference between close and quit? The method closes all the windows opened by the WebDriver. It is automatically close all open windows and eliminate the browser. That is what quit. Quit means what are the previously, not previously, what current driver, like suppose you are opening 2 or 3 browsers in the same program. So if you write quit all means all windows will be closed. Okay, if you write close means the current window, only the current window will close. Okay, can you run this one now? We don't have any other windows, right? So here also quit also will be close the window. So difference between close and quit. Close means the current window will be closed, and quit means all the windows will be closed. Yeah, so because this is very, very important. Okay, so what are the browser command, guys? Can anyone? What are the browser commands? Can anyone? What are the browser commands?
Yeah, driver.
Yeah, Venkat, hold on. You already done, right? Someone, we can give the chance to others. What are the browser command, guys? Anybody? What are
Get
the browser
title,
command?
get
Get
title,
title.
driver dot
Get
get
fetch.
title,
Hmm.
and and
No problem.
and
Go ahead.
current URL, current URL,
Current, current
current URL,
URL. Yes.
driver dot get current,
Hmm.
system out println, and
Hmm.
page source,
Hmm.
driver dot get page source,
Hmm.
system dot out println.
Don't say all the things. Okay, hold on, hold on. I'm really appreciate you to start. But what are the browser commands? In interview question is what? Direct question. What is they are not asking how you write and all the things. So what
Okay.
are the browser commands? So you need to tell that don't say driver dot. Okay, driver is the object. Okay, get title, get page source, get current URL, and get page view source, maximize and minimize and close and quit. This is what answer you need to answer it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
can you repeat one more time?
Title, page
Hmm.
resource,
Hmm.
maximize, minimize,
Hmm.
close, and quit.
Okay, good. Anyone, guys? Anyone want to tell? Other guys?
Only these are any else? Only these are, sir.
No, there are many things will be there. Basic commands. We are regularly we use this one like close, quit, send keys will be there. Then slowly, I will tell you all the things. If the day one I tell you right, you people will confuse. Tomorrow will not attend the class. So I don't want
Is
to.
sir, for every coding, every script, we have to maintain that comment.
Comments, yes, according to that one. So you are in your test case, they say that maximize the window. In that case, you need to use what command? Maximize the window. In your test
No,
case, they
not command. I'm asking comment.
comment you need to follow. Comment you need to follow. That is what
Okay,
good
for
one.
for
Everything, because you already done and you left the organization. I cannot understand what you written entire the thing, right? So if you make the comment, right, so the other person can easily understand what you exactly you are writing and all that. See, it depends on the organization. I cannot say can you write compulsory means no, you cannot. But for my experience, for every organization they will follow the coding standards. You cannot write like that, okay? You need to follow the coding standards. So they will ask you write a comment for everything, so you need to write the comment. Comment is very very important for us only, because someone code you are viewing, or someone code you are checking. So again you are starting from the starting onwards means again it will take a lot of time, right? So if you see the comment, if you are writing habituated the comment, then it is very easy for you and others also. It's very easy for you and others also. Comment is very very important. Is it clear?
yes, sir. But what I didn't understand, what is the actual use of that comment?
Now that's a very good question. See, if I'm not right, you are very new in that area. If I'm not write the comment, I'm writing some code. How you understand that code is belongings to that one, the code is belongings to this one? How you understand that one? Again, you start from the starting onwards and you need to try to understand each and everything. Generally, if I not write the comment, then it's very, if you know that code then it's fine. If you are very new in that area, then again what you will do, what is this, how you initialize this one, why it taken as a string, what command is taken. So these questions will arise, right? So to avoid these kind of things you need to write the comment. Understanding, right? For what purpose I'm writing the code, I need to write the comment.
Okay, okay, sir. Got it. Thank you.
Understanding, right? Because that is very very important. If you write something, right, suddenly one developer is saying something, you don't know that one. Okay, see, I'm talking about developer point of view, okay? So some suddenly change something, what he changed, again all the pages I need to refer means the time is be gone. So that is what productivity, you need to save the productivity time and all the things. If developer is say that I change the string as somewhere something, he write a comment, valid comment he write, so based on the comment easily I can understand, right? So simply I can understand based on his comment. Okay, so that is very very important. Comment structure, see, that's your wish, you need to follow or not. But not your wish means organization wish. Therefore they ask you to write the comments means you need to write the comment. If they are not asked to follow the comments means you need not follow the comments. But my suggestion is what, please use always the comments. For not every command, at least main things you need to use the comments. Don't worry guys, they will give you KT. What is called KT?
Knowledge
What is,
transfer.
yes, before you got into the project they will give you knowledge transfer, like this is what my framework, this is what my Selenium framework, and this is what we are writing the classes, this is the way you need to create. So in that case only you will understand what they're following and each and everything, so you need to follow according to them. Okay, but every organization not following the same way, right? Techcom they follow the different architecture, and IBM they follow the different architecture. Some other companies they follow the different architecture, but code is the same. Code maximize for every company is the same code, not code never be changed. Okay, the syntax writing and initialization comments might be small, will be changed. Okay, clear, right? So comment is very very important guys. If you want to understand the things, you need to make the comment initially. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good, thank you. Okay guys, any questions so far? Anyone want to tell what are the browser commands one more time? Any person, anyone?
Yes, sir.
What are the,
Hello.
yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Can you explain, sir, minimize command?
Yeah, minimize means what? Okay, minimize means what? So you need to minimize the window, right? So you need to talk with the browser. So how you are talking with the browser? Driver dot manage dot window dot set position. I'm giving the set position as a Yeah, set position. This is that the reason. See, maximum everyone tell these comments. They will ask you to check your and go in the comments and all the things. They will ask you minimize, because most of the people they will not get at the time of interview what is set position. So if you understand the set position, you can easily tell in interview. Driver dot manage dot window dot set position. I'm telling this position where to it will be minimize. Okay, x coordinate and y coordinate. So you need to give the x and y coordinate. Based on that it will be minimized. Okay, but you need to remember, it's a good one, good question. Set position you always remember. If you by heart, right, you will not attend, you will not able to answer in the interview. Okay, so always remember, minimize means I
Hello.
need to put position. Yeah,
So
I'm here.
how to know y coordinate value? How to know?
Sorry, come again. I'm sorry, come again.
How to know y coordinate value? Y coordinate value.
Yeah,
Minus
y coordinate
650.
value. Yes, yes, I understand. Y coordinate value, you need to check twice and twice. I say first I given 800, it is not maximized. After that I given 900, it is not maximized. So I given 650, it is maximized. Still you want to correctly, you want up to what value you want to know, then you can discuss with the developer or anyone, they will tell you that value. So you can play around that one. You can play around that one. So it's a what changing the value. So you need to change the values twice and twice and twice according to your requirement.
Okay.
Understanding, right? So it
Yeah.
not be like fixed number. Okay, because my screen was very small. My laptop is see, I'm working in 24 inches screen, or in the office we have two monitors will be the big monitors will be there. So in that case I cannot go with the same specific number. So you can play means what, you can change the number and you check the things. Okay, and always remember guys, the people what they will do the mistakes, they will write entire the code and execute. Don't do that one. Write a one line, execute. Write second command, execute. Third command and execute. See your code is stable or not. Some people are what they will do, write copy each and everything, and last at the moment they will run the code. Don't do that one. So always you need to check minimize is working or not, maximize is working or not, get title is working or not. So slowly you need to do step by step. All the comments, why it is time wasting, all the comments you are writing and executing means, then if any mistake will come, it's little bit time taken. So don't do that one. They will give you plenty of time for you, lot of time for you, for the, they will not ask do today itself, do in within 2 hours. No one will tell you like that. In organization we have a plenty of time, lot of time will be there. So they will give you some time to automate the things. And don't think that everything should be automated. We cannot do everything as a automation. There are a lot of challenges will be there. Understanding, right? There are a lot of challenges will be there once you enter into the real time. But you need to experts on that. When you will be experts, continuously practicing, understanding the functionality, then only you will become an expert. Only seeing in the top level, you are imagining that I done automation, when I get a job means, it's think about yourself only. Experts means what, think and understand, troubleshoot each and everything you need to do. Okay, so okay, good. Anything else guys, anyone wants to tell what are the browser commands one more time? Anyone
Hi,
wants
Srini,
to
I just have one error in my program.
what error it is showing?
I'm not sure. It is giving me an error for importing a Selenium WebDriver.
Okay, you want to share your screen?
Yes, please.
Okay, okay, okay guys, everyone is done, right? Browser command guys, one more call, last call. Everyone is clear, right? Browser commands, is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Training.
Yeah, okay, good. Okay, so let's see to Lalita's system. Let's see 2 minutes. Okay, what she's having a problem. Now, guys, you only troubleshoot. Okay, now tell me what is the problem. Now, share your screen. Guys, observe the code. What is the wrong is she's done. Okay. What is the wrong? I got it. Anyone? Hold on. Anyone? What is the wrong?
Import.org.openqa.selenium.
Okay, that one. And another one is what? Another one is what? She's not initialized the object, right? She's not.
Yes.
Lalita, I'm not pointing you. I'm just correcting the things. Okay,
Build a
it is
path, right?
yeah. So here
Selenium
you
dot
are not
driver, web
you are
driver.
not initialize the object also, right? So that is also is very very important. She's not initialize the object. She directly
Yes.
write driver dot get. So that is the thing is wrong. Okay, good. Right. Web driver.
Web
You
driver.
yeah. Control space. Use control space, Lalita. Yeah. Select that one. Good. Now see what is the wrong. Hold on. You only tell me how you are writing this one. You need to initialize the object, right? You are not initialize the object. You simply call the object. This is wrong. So you need to write the initialize the object. Okay. Web driver object. Create the object equals to new Chrome driver. Control space. Use control space. Yeah, first one. Now driver dot get. Yeah, good.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, good. Thanks
Yeah.
for bringing up because so this is what troubleshooting. You are not initialize the object and you are directly writing driver dot get. So where is driver? I'm not. This driver is not understanding where I get. So you need to create object for this one. New Chrome driver. Okay. Now you can run this one. Good. So you can now you do maximize. I want this screen should be maximized. So what command you will write? Maximize. What maximize? So what command you will write? Write the command for maximize. Hmm. 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 Maximize. Good. Can you run one more time? Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Now I want to close this window. What command you will write? I want to close this window. What command you will write? Hmm. Good. Run it. Maximize and it will be closed automatically.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Good. So I want title for this page. So what command you will write? Title. Don't write after the close. Okay. No.
Oh,
You need to
sorry.
write in the no problem. So after the close means it won't check. Okay. Title. What command you will write? Title. No. First you need to write the title. Okay. Right.
Is this right?
Yeah, right. What you write in your own way. Don't ask. Hmm. Good. Good. So run this one. Good.
Okay.
So okay, got it right. So this is
Yeah,
the
yeah, I
what.
got it.
Okay, good. practice, okay, one more time after the class. Just practice 5 minutes, okay. After the class, just practice all the comments. Finish today's class today itself, okay. Do not again tomorrow again, do not review that things. Already you are experts this one, okay. Practice 2 or 3 times. If you are still confused, again practice one more time. Close today itself, okay. So tomorrow it will be free for you, okay. Okay guys, we'll see navigate commands. There are back, forward, refresh, so these commands is also is very important. Once we done, then important class is what locators. There are 8 locators will be there. How you identify the elements and all the things we will discuss mostly tomorrow if time permits, or else to next day we will see. But so far what we done covered, I'm requesting to each and every person practice so far what we done. This is the basic means what automate. Whenever you go for interview or anywhere, they will ask you to launch the browser and all the things. So basics you will not be still confused. If you want to explain me tomorrow also, I can explain how to launch Chrome and Firefox and Edge Chrome, and you can take the help from Venkat. He's already done all the things, so you can discuss with them, okay. So or else tell me where you, if you done means, then we will go for the next topic. Hold on guys, 2 minutes. Okay, so I hope everyone is done all the with the browsers. Still you are not done, please ask me, we'll discuss tomorrow, okay. Any questions guys? Any questions?
Sir, how to download
Yes,
the
sir.
Eclipse?
Eclipse, right? Okay, just go to the Venkat, can you open the Chrome browser, like Google or Lalita, right? Your screen sharing is who is one?
This is Lalita.
Okay, Lalita, can you open the Chrome, like Google one? Yeah,
Yeah, this is Google.
just okay, right, Eclipse download, just Eclipse download. Yeah, so you, if you type like this, automatically you can download here, okay. Is it clear? Yeah, download the x64-bit.
Sir, there are so many types, sir, like Java
Yeah,
and
no,
PHP.
first you can select IDE, that is enough. If you, once you download this one, right, it will ask you the first one, you can select that one, is enough. When you are
Okay, okay.
download, right, first one you can select. Not, we are not developers, right? The first one IDE is enough, you can download that, okay. Still you have any questions, you can call me, okay. You can ask them. I want to talk with Srinivas.
I already done, sir. In that, I did not get the SRC path.
Acha, acha, acha. Okay. Tomorrow you will share your screen. You want to
Okay,
share
sir.
your screen?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
we'll see tomorrow. Okay. Or you want to share now?
No, sir, I am present using the mobile.
Okay, okay. Tomorrow you will share. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you guys. We'll see tomorrow. Okay. Any question, guys? Last call.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
Sir, can you say again import org dot
Uh,
openqa?
See, import space org dot openqa dot selenium dot webdriver. Yeah. Second line, import space org dot openqa dot selenium dot which browser you want, Chrome dot Chrome driver. So
Chrome driver.
Firefox dot Firefox driver, Edge dot Edge driver. So based on that you need to call.
No,
Okay.
sir. Why we are writing this code? Import org.
Because if you are not add the reference libraries, right, how you will write the code? We need to support files, right? I required some support files. If the support files is not there, how can I write the code? So that's the reason I'm adding the jar files to my project. So see, if you're not add the jar files, you cannot initialize the object also. Driver equals to new Chrome driver, you cannot initialize. That support files is required. That's the reason I'm import org.openqa.selenium.webdriver. Then WebDriver I can use in my program. Chrome driver, how I'm using Chrome driver. So that's the reason I'm import space org.openqa. Selenium.chrome driver. That's the reason I can use the I can create the object for that one, new Chrome driver. Okay, if you are not use the support files or reference libraries, the name itself it will be the reference libraries. If I'm not use the reference libraries, I cannot write the code. Okay, it's a good question. Okay, anybody there? Anyone? Is it clear, right?
Yes, clear.
Good. Do the practice. Okay, tomorrow we'll see. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello guys, I'm running out of the time. Have a nice day.
Thank you
Tomorrow
so
we'll
much.
see the person. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll see them. Chalo then, bye.